There's a desperate need for indoor soccer. Soccer's become a sport that is being played and training 12 months out of the year.
DDO on Montreal's West Island has plans to build a new full-size indoor soccer field. They have applied for provincial and federal government grants to finance the majority of this project, but are still waiting for their approval. Currently, the local soccer association has access to outdoor soccer fields, but winter weather limits when teams can practice and play throughout the year.
When you have something for kids to play in the winter, more people are going to join, and they're going to know that they can play this all year round. If you don't have a place for kids to play, they'll find something else.
Our programs are club-based that are licensed by Soccer Quebec and Soccer Canada, so we do have some obligations in order to continue the training year-round.
The city of DDO says the proposed full-size indoor soccer field would allow for standard 11-a-side play, but would also have the option to divide the turf into 3 7-a-side fields.
It's also really a surface, a synthetic surface that can be used for other sports as well, whether it be rugby, even baseball or football.
The added benefit there is for the West Island is that we have quite a few sport études programs, so they'll be able to tie into our facility and be able to provide that sport.
DDO hasn't decided yet where the indoor field would be located, but will likely be using land already owned by the city. DDO Mayor Alex Bataushi says that the project would cost somewhere between $18 and $24 million. He adds that the city has been talking about building an indoor soccer facility for more than 10 years, but since the closure of the closest indoor soccer field in Lachine, there has been a real need for this type of facility.
It will be center city where we are now. We've looked at a couple of locations, and in there we've done our pluses and minuses, advantages and disadvantages, and it would be located relatively close to the Civic Center. Closest to the 40, essentially, for easy access in-out.
Without an indoor facility, we have to drive out of town, sometimes far. We need to go either to Bay d'Urfé, Laval, Repentigny.
We are really at the heart of the West Island. The location will attract the 20+ thousand soccer players in the West Island.
We're waiting for grant money. Once we get the grant money, then we can start to move forward. But I'd say anywhere between now and 2.5 years, we could probably have something built.
In Montreal, Gareth Madoc-Jones, City News.